ho, ho! Merry Christmas! We are so excited to talk about the 25 Days of Martelli. You are going to get some awesome stuff in this box, kind of like this fiber fill and so many other neat products, such as things like this and things like this and even things like this and this right here. So you're wondering what this, and this is. Well, you're not going to know unless you get the advent calendar from Martelli. There's a couple ways you can do this. We have two options. We have one option where you can get just the box that's in the advent calendar. And then there's one option that you get a $150 gift card, which means you get $50 free that you can spend. So this is a fun way of doing Christmas. We had a lot of people participate last year. And even on the quilters group, everybody was staying true and not ruining the surprises and what'd you get. And so they were opening it day by day. And there was a lot of cool things last year. I guess I can tell you what was in it last year. There's some templates and things like that. I don't want to go into too much detail, but it was really, really exciting. And we even did our annual ornament. So that's something that we had a lot of fun with last year. Now, you have to pay in full or put 50% down and then you can pay the remainder in September. I will tell you the more popular one last year was the one where you got $50 free. So you're definitely going to want to take advantage of that. So the box looks just like this. It says 25 Days of Martelli on there. And then when you open that box, you'll have 25 gifts. And one day at a time, you will open the gifts that is specified for that day. So it's a lot of fun, a lot of excitement, and a lot of anticipation. So to take care of this advent calendar, you can simply go to www.martellinotions.com, and there's two options that you can get there. You can get the actual advent box that has the 25 gifts, or you can get the Merry Martelli bundle, which will include a $150 gift card, which gives you $50 free to purchase at Martelli to get extra products. So this is a fun way to be able to do your Christmas vacations. Like I said, a lot of anticipation, and this is the 25 Days of Martelli. The last thing that I am going to leave with you is there is two ways that you can do this. You can pay it in full, or you can put 50% down and then you can pay the remainder in September. But hurry, this closes at the end of this month. You're going to want to take advantage of that. And so we can all anticipate Christmas together. Thank you so much for participating in the Martelli Advent Calendar.